I'm Randy Douglas. I'm starting my third year here at GTCC. I'm studying for my degree in Business Administration and Human Relations, and I live in High Point, North Carolina, with my wife, Dee. As you can tell, I'm older than most, if not all of you, and I've learned a few things in my life. Things like the best things in life are the people you love, the places you've been, and the memories you've made along the way. One of the best things in life are the people we love. My wife Dee and I met during a time when I was probably my most unlovable. She helped me through a trying time and lifted me back up and started our relationship not only as best friends but as future spouses. My mother raised 5 children during a very trying time in her life, and she never gave up on any of us, even up to this day. Now she's 84 years old, she's had 2 heart attacks, and now it's time for me to not give up on her. I have 2 children that are probably older than most of y'all, and I'm very proud of them, not just for the success that they've got in their life, but for the people that they've become. Another one of the best things in life is the places you've been. Now, we all have a dream vacation. I've traveled all across the United States, all over Mexico and the Caribbean, but the best places I've been are the highs and lows, or the mountaintops and valleys that we experience in life. I got married very young with very little money. A couple of years later, my daughter was born, which should have been a mountaintop. But 2 months before she was born, I got laid off from my job and lost my medical insurance. 10 years later, things were better. My son was born. I was on a mountaintop again. Then a couple of years later, a divorce. A few years later, my wife and I met, and we started a very successful business, and we enjoyed the fruits of our labor. The unfortunate thing is our business was based in real estate. We all know what happened in real estate in 2008. Another one of the best things in life are the memories we made along the way. Now, most people my age would say their favorite memory is their wedding day or maybe when their children are being born. And the same can be said for me. But one of my favorite memories happened not long after me and my wife started dating. She would come to my place on Sunday mornings and I'd make breakfast, and we'd sit down and have our breakfast and just talk. Not about anything in particular, just life in general and our dreams and our aspirations in life. Later we'd say, well, we better get up and do something with our day. Look at the clock, it'd be 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We'd sit there and talk for 6 hours. And that memory made me realize that exactly how much Dee and I enjoy being together and how much we have in common. We all need someone to love. Some may never marry or have children, so it may just be a friend, a best friend, someone who considers you their best friend. We all have a dream vacation, and I hope each of you get to enjoy that. But always remember where you came from. Keep your memories, the good ones and the bad. Look back on them and smile, and realize that these things have made you who you are. It's the people you love, places you've been, and the memories you've made along the way.